students. Throughout the year and last year we had meditation, and this will be continued as long as you are in the school. Meditation is very important because this will enhance your memory, and your memory will become very strong and you will become very intelligent. So I am going to tell you one story on meditation. Please pay attention. Teachers, everybody is listening to me now. Pay attention to this story, which will help you to enhance your life. Nobody should talk. Nobody should talk, and pay attention to this story. Dear students, once there were two friends. They were very close friends, and they were at one religious place. They were at one religious place, and they were talking to each other. And as they were talking, one friend was very rich, the other friend was very poor. So the rich friend told the poor friend that I will give you 50,000 rupees, you start a business. The rich friend told to the poor friend, I will give you 50,000 rupees, you start a business. The poor friend said, thank you. He took the money, he started his business. He flourished in his business. He did very well in his business. So the rich friend had some financial crisis in his life. So he requested his poor friend, who became now rich, asked him, give me some money because I need money for my business now. Because he had given 50,000 rupees to his poor friend. But now, the poor friend who became now rich with his business, who the rich friend had given money, 50,000, he was so ungrateful. He said, you did not give me any money. He lied. And now this rich friend who became poor, he wanted money. So then he went to the court. He went to the court to ask for justice to get his money back, that 50,000 which he had paid. The poor friend with the business was flourishing. He got a lot of money. So since he was not giving money, the rich friend who had given the money, he went to the court. The court asked him, give me the proof that you had given money to him. But these two friends, they were talking in English as they were discussing about money giving about 50,000 rupees. So the rich friend had to provide proof that he had given the money, because this poor friend said he did not give me any money. But now the rich friend realized when they were discussing about giving money, 50,000, they spoke in English language. There was one religious man, you can consider priest, religious man was standing next to them. So this religious man had heard everything what they spoke in English, but he didn't know the language English, but he could hear the words. Now this religious man was very strong in his memory. Very strong in his memory. He remembered every word what they had spoken without understanding. Sometimes we learn by heart, no? Sometime in the exam we learn by hand without understanding. So this, I don't encourage that you should by heart. No, you must understand what you read. But here it is, this religious man had not understood what they spoke, but he had understood the words, and after so many months, he remembered word to word what was spoken. So this rich man took this priest, this religious man, to the court, and he told the judge whatever language was spoken without understanding a word. Meaning, English he spoke, word to word, that he had, because of strong memory, he could remember every word which was spoken, and he could narrate in the court that yes, this rich man had given money, yet and the poor man took the money. That was the discussion took place, and therefore the court understood that the poor man who became rich is lying, is not truthful, and the rich man got his money, 50,000 rupees back from the poor man. But this became possible only because of that religious man, the proof which this rich man provided in the court. And this religious man got very strong memory because he was doing meditation. Now you understood how important the meditation is? When you have meditation in the school, at home, your memory will become very strong. So when we have meditation every day in the school, you must close your eyes and focus on your breathing and pay attention to the music, so that your memory will enhance, your memory will become strong, so you will become very intelligent, very clever. So this meditation we must participate every day and be active, and so that we enhance our memory and we become a clever, intelligent boy, a person, a girl, a future citizen of our country. So now let's have the meditation and see that everybody focus on the breathing. Take all thoughts out of your mind, focus on your breathing, breathe in, breathe out, and that is how we need to do the meditation. Thank you.